Yeah, good evening children. Welcome to Akshar IIT Foundation. Yeah, today's class, you know me, this is Srinivas, your maths faculty. So according to number system, this is the second class, right? Good. In your last class, we have stopped at the practice sheet. So up to 1 to 10 problems completed. So 11th problem is missed, right? In your previous class. Because time is not sufficient for us to complete that. So let us check that 11th problem also. Then we'll go to the exercise problems. Okay. And I hope you everyone remember the formulas and all. Let us check that. See that the product of divisors of n. Here n is nothing but a number. Here n is nothing but a number, and product of divisors, it is a formula, that is the number power number of divisors by 2. The number power number of divisors by 2. So it can be also written like number power half into number of divisors. Okay? Yeah, it is just a formula. Let us take that product of numbers through one example. So I am taking 6. For this 6, how to find the product of divisors? So first we have to calculate the number of divisors, then we should apply the formula to find the product of divisors. Okay. From these cases, until then we are learning 3. What is that? Number of divisors, one formula. Next, sum of divisors, and third one is product of divisors. Now, for finding the number of divisors for 6, I am using prime factorization method. Right. Take prime number 2 table in 6 3 times. Again, 3 ones are 3. So nothing but 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 power 1, 3 power 1. 2 into 3 is nothing but 2 power 1 and 3 power 1. Now number of divisors. Number of divisors equals to. We are using only the exponential form. Here what is the first prime number? 2. 2 exponent is 1. So for this exponent, we have to add one more 1. So 1 plus 1. And second prime number 3, its exponent is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. So there are 4 divisors or factors. Now coming to this product of divisors equals to, I am applying in this formula. N means what? Given number. N means given number. What is the given number here? 6. Given number is 6. 6 power number of divisors. Number of divisors 4 by 2. 2 table in 4 2 times. So this is nothing but 6 power 2. 6 power 2 means 6 into 6. So 36. Therefore the product of divisors is 36. Okay na? Right? Shall I check with regular process? What are the factors of 6? 1 6er, 2 3er, 3 2s. 3 2s repeating, we are eliminating. So they are the 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors. Now multiply. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s, 2 3 6, 6 6 are 36. Same answer, right? Sir, this is only easy, no? For finding like this. It is easy. Regular method is easy when the numbers are smaller. Okay. If you take 2-digit number onwards, it will be somewhat difficult for calculating the product of divisors. Multiplication means it will come huge answer. So the formula is always better for very large numbers. Okay? Yeah, one stick. Just you should write the formula. You can take some more examples and find it. Okay, children? Shall I go to next question? Good. Now, multiple choice questions. That is nothing but first exercise. Multiple choice questions. The number of divisors. Number of divisors. Now only we found product of divisor. For finding the product of divisors, we used to find number of divisors, right? So same like that. Okay. Now, for what number we have to find? 8400, and the continuity is also there except unity. Except unity. Unity means 1. Unity means 1. That means for every number 1 is the common factor, because every number will come in one table, right? Yeah. So their question is asking that except that 1, I want the remaining all divisors. Anyways, we'll find it. Same prime factorization method for 8400. Now find it. First prime number 2. I am taking 2 table. Yeah, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and the remaining 2 zeros as it is. Again 2 table, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Next, 2 table, 2 10s 20, 2 5s 10, 1050. Like that you can take 2 table or 5 table according to our convenience. Because however you can take first 2 table or 5 table, whatever the table you can use, overall its prime factorization is unique. The prime factors will come the same prime factors, but order must be different. When you make it into the order, same prime factors will come. While we are taking 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, it doesn't matter. We can use any prime number which is divisible in 8400. Okay? Yeah, 5 table, 5 2s, 5 1s, 0. Again 5 table, 5 4s 20, 5 2s 10. Now 2 table, 21. So 21 will not come in 2 table. Now I am using 3 7s, 7 1s. So the prime factorization, how many 2s are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 4. Now coming to 3. How many 3s? Only 1. So I can write 3 power 1. Okay. Next, how many 5s? There are 2 5s. So we can write 5 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. Next, 7. Only if 7 is the prime number remains. How many times? Only 1 time. So once we get the prime factorization, we need to find the number of divisors or divisors of a number. D of n, divisors of a number. How to take? We are using only exponents. First prime number exponent 4. 4 plus 1. For first exponent we should add 1. Second exponent, that means second prime number exponent also 1. For this number also we should add 1. Third exponent means third prime factor is 5. 5 exponent is 2. So 2 plus 1. Fourth one, fourth prime factor 7. 7 exponent also 1. For this also we are adding 1. Now check that. 4 plus 1 5 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so just multiply these. 5 2s 10, 3 2 6. So 10 6 are 60. So from this problem we can identify that there are 60 divisors or 60 factors for 8400, but when the question is given unity, we have to eliminate unity, except unity is given. Except unity means we should remove one of the factor 1. So from the total 60 factors, if I delete one factor, I will have 59 factors. Okay, so your answer is 59. Please note it, children. Okay, yeah, I am going to the next question. What is the next question here? Number of odd factors per 484. This is one more important question. Sir, 484 is somewhat huge number. For finding individually one table, two table like that, it will take so much of time, right? But we learn the formula how to find number of divisors. From the divisors, can we identify that even divisors and odd divisors? Yes, definitely we can identify the odd divisors. Right. How it is? Let us find. Now 484, again same process. So 2 table, first prime number 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s, 2 2s. Again 2 table, yeah, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. 121 is not coming in 2 table, 3 table also it is not coming, except 11. 11s are 121. 121 will come in only 11 square, except any other prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 is not coming in 121. Okay, any table won't come in. Sorry, in any table except 11, 121 won't come. Again 11 also a prime number, 11 ones are 11. So this 484 prime factorization is unique. How many 2s are there? 2 2s. So 2 square into, 1 second. Yeah, 2 square into 11 square. Yeah. Now here the trick is will be odd factors from these 2 prime numbers. 2 is even prime. 2 is even prime. 11 is odd prime. 11 is odd number, right? So we should take for odd factors only odd primes we should consider. Only odd primes. What is the odd prime? Only 11. 11 exponent is 2. So according to the number of divisors is 2 plus 1, 3. There are 3 odd factors for this question. In case while you are doing like this, only 2 power 8 or 2 power 7 came, there is no presence of odd prime number, then answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So then the answer is this. Answer will be 1. Why? Only 2 powers are there. Like 2 power k, we don't know what is. K value 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it can be. Only a number having prime factorization is in the form of 2 powers. There is no presence of any other odd primes. Then answer will be 1, because 1 is the common factor for every number and 1 is odd number. Okay. So if the prime factorization having only even powers, even though we have one odd prime number there. Okay, odd factor will be, not prime number, odd factor will be there. Okay, now? Yeah. This one not considered. So your answer is 3. Shall I move to the next question? Yeah, I think it is more than enough time. Okay. Right. Find the answer for this. What is that question? Largest 2-digit prime numbers. Okay. Right. So, what is the largest 2-digit number? 99. So, we want largest 2-digit prime number we want. So, let us check the primes between 91 to 99. There is only one prime number. According to your option, let us check. 90 is not a prime number because it is ends with the digit 0. So, except 2, remaining all primes are odd numbers only. 2 is only the even prime number. Okay. Now coming to 89. 89 having a chance of getting it, but more than 2 numbers are there. 83 is not considering. Okay. Because 89, 83 both are prime numbers. 89 more than 83. So largest is asking. So let us check between 2 and 3. So our answer is 97. Because 91 to 99, only 97 is a prime factor or prime number. Remaining all composite numbers only. Okay na? So according to this, our answer is 97. We are going through the options. Okay. In case instead of 97 it is given 96, what is the chance of largest 2-digit number here? Among the options, actual answer is 97 only, largest 2-digit prime number is 97 only. In case among the options 97 is not present, then the answer will be 89 here. Okay? Yeah. Next. Right. Easy questions, that's why I have taken 2. Predecessor of a prime number is. Predecessor means the number exactly before the given number is called predecessor, right? But we did not get any particular prime number. That means it indicates we have to consider all the prime numbers, nothing but set of all prime numbers we should take. Set of all prime numbers. I am using the first one. 2. 2 is a prime number. Its before, predecessor means immediately before number. Its predecessor is 1. We know that 1 is odd number. Let us check for the some other. I am taking 7. 7 also prime number. Its predecessor is, what is its predecessor? 6. Immediately before number. 7 before 6. 6 is even. Except 2, we already discussed that remaining all numbers are odd numbers only. All prime numbers are odd numbers only. So, obviously its predecessor is definitely even number. But 2 is even prime. Its predecessor is odd number. Because in our number system like natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are checking like that. 1 odd number, 2 even, 3 odd. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. The set of numbers will be arranged like this. 1 odd number, 1 even number, 1 odd number, 1 even number, like that. So for before every odd number, 1 even present. Before every even number, 1 odd number is presenting here. So our answer is odd or even, because 2 is also one of the number in the set of primes. Okay. Same question. Predecessor of a prime number except 2. If the question is asked, predecessor of a prime number except 2, we always go through the option is even. Okay. So third is our answer. Coming to next. Solution, set of the equations modulus of x equals to 5. So while I am discussing about that absolute value, once again I am telling the conditions here. What is the condition? Modulus of x is x, where x value is greater than 0. In same way, modulus of x is minus x, where x value is less than 0. So overall, for any integer, the final answer will be positive. That means the integer will be positive or negative, it will give only positive number. That means this 5, whether it is being inside of a modulus, it can be minus 5 or plus 5, we don't know. So we have two options. The x value can be negative 5 or positive 5. This is because modulus of minus 5 also 5, modulus of 5 also 5. Okay, children? I hope you understand this. Okay? Shall I go to the next? Okay. And before that, how many are revising thoroughly? You should practice regularly, right? For speed up your calculations. I used to tell you regularly that only. What was that? Practice makes man's perfect. So in the particularly math subjects, you need more practice than the other subjects. Remaining all you can see just once, but when coming to the math subject, you have to practice. Then only the symbols, while we are using the symbols and calculations part, will be easy to you. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Question number 6. The number of prime factors. Number of prime factors. What is the number we should take? 210. Okay? Right. Now find 210 factors. Find the factors. You know how we are finding like that. Prime factors are nothing but in the overall set of all the numbers, what are the prime numbers are there? That numbers are called prime factors. How you are finding the prime factors? Same process. You have to find prime numbers only in the set of factors. So you try to do this problem. Next, 7th one, because easy only, no? Now coming to the 7th question. The least number is nothing but smallest number by 22,932 must be multiplied or divide. You have to multiply or divide with a small number. To which number we should divide? This number it should be divided or multiply with another number. So as to make a perfect square, to make it a perfect square. Right, let us check. Same process, 22,932. Prime factors we should identify first. Okay, na? Right. So 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, again 2 6s are. 2 table, 2 5s 10, 2 7s 14, 2 3s 2 3s. Now 2 table won't come, 3 table also not come, 5 is not coming, 7. Is there any chance of 7? Let us check that 7 is coming or not. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56 is there. 7 8s are 56, here 1 remainder, 7 1s are 7, 6 remainder, yes, 7 9s are 63. Now 3 table will come, 3 2s are 6, 21, 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 9s 27, 3 1s. 7 table will come, 7 how many times? 13 times. 7 13s are 91. Now 13. These are the prime factors. I told you already, if you take in any order, that will be exactly same factors. That means same factorization. Now, how many 2's are there? 2 square. Next, how many 3's? 3 is also 2. 7's? 2. 13. Now you are observing that square numbers. Yes, 2 square, 3 square, 7 square. They completely having a squares. But 13 power 1 only, not that 13 power 2. 13 power 2 means entirely we can take 13 square. So what is the smallest number to multiply? If it is also having one more 13, that means if you multiply with one more 13, or if you divide this, if you remove also, that given number will be perfect square. So what is the answer? Yeah, one more 13. Because all the prime factors, all the numbers, all the prime factors we are arranging in the form of squares. 2 square, 3 square, 7 square. Here 13 only 1 is presenting. If you have one more 13, then it will be 13 square. That means we have to multiply with 13. Or else you have to delete this 13. That means you have to divide it by 13. Multiply or divided also same answer here. The smallest number will be 13. Okay? Check. Okay. Total number of factors. Number of factors we should find. Number of factors of 24. Right. Same process, easy. 2 table, 12, 2 6s, 2 3s, now 3 1s. So 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3 power 1. So divisors of a number is only exponents we are using, right? 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 4 2's 8. Therefore, number of divisors are 8. Our answer is this. While you practicing thoroughly, you can speed up your calculations like this. Yeah, going to next question, children. Right, ninth question. The value of x. You should find the value of x. Sorry, for which value of x? Modulus of 3x plus 15 is minimum. 3x plus 15 is minimum. So, while according to the absolute value, whatever the number we are taking inside, that will give only positive number. Whether it is a negative or positive, it will represent the positive number. Okay. But here, along with 3x, one more. Here two terms are there, no? 3x is first term, 15 is second term. From this, if you take x value is positive or negative, after this calculation only, it will come as a positive value. After this calculation only, it will come as a positive value. So, according to these options, I am checking one by one. I am substituting 3 in the place of x. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 15 how much? 24. Whether it is a positive or negative, answer will be 24 only. Now coming to 5. For 5, yeah, 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 15, 30. While you are using 5, it will give 30. Now minus 5. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 15, 0. Modulus of 0 is 0 only. I think no other number is smaller than 0. Because in modulus, if you get negative also, it will project as a positive number, no? So simply our answer is negative 5. Our answer is negative 5. Okay, na? Next question, children. Right. Here maximum value. Previous problem is given minimum value, now maximum value, but the expression is given 27 minus modulus of 9x minus 18. So here a small trick will be there that you should be understand, because we already discussed that modulus of any number, if you substitute inside, if it is a negative also, it will project as a positive number, I said. That means if you increase this value, the answer will be decreased, because here that answer should be subtracted from 27. Okay. Now let us check through the options. Nine 27s are how much? Nine into 27 minus 8. So simply, without doing all of them, sorry, it is not an answer, don't consider as an answer. Without substituting this answer, we can say easily, whatever the number is smaller number in the place of x, then the modulus value becomes less. Then 27, that value gives that more answer. That means we have to take smaller value, nothing but 2 17s. Second option, 17. Okay, na? If you have a doubt, just substitute each one, 17 in the place of x, 27 in the place of x, 44, 26. All you check, then obviously 17 only gives the maximum value. Okay. If it is not here, 27 minus is not here, the maximum value will gives by maximum number. Okay. Right. Next question. Sum of divisors of 24. Sum of divisors of 24. Same like previous sum of divisors formula we are going to apply now. 2 table 12, 6, 3. This is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1. Okay, na? So sum of divisors formula. I am just writing the formula for this time. From the next question, I am not writing the formula. Prime numbers are 2. So P1 power n1 plus 1 minus 1 by P1 minus 1 into second one, P2 power n2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1. Substitute. P1 means first prime number 2. 2 power n1, that means exponent is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now second one, 3. 3 power exponent is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Yeah. 2 power 4, 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 by 2 minus 1 is 1. 15 by 1 means 15 only. Into 3 square value 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 by 2. Because 3 minus 1 value 2. 2 table in it 4 times. 15 4s are 60. Our respective answer is option 2. Okay, na? So up to 10 problems we have completed. So between one problem I left for you, try to solve it, find the answer. We'll discuss the answer in next class. Okay? Right. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.